YouTube, what's good? Coming back at y'all today with another video. I had a follower on Instagram. He DM'd me. He asked me what I did to get my waves in the beginning. And for those of y'all that's new or whatever that don't know, I started waving like in August. I used to have like a mohawk and stuff. I cut it off in August because I play baseball too, and I just got tired of all that hair. It was like messing with my hat, so I cut it all off. And when I cut my hair, like my haircut was like still messed up. Like you can still see like the mohawk. I cut it down to like a 3, but you can still see like where the mohawk was whenever I got it cut. If you watch my first video, you'll see it. But yeah, this is what my progress looking like now. My waves on the top hidden, my waves on the sides hidden. Side, it's the back. Hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Like it really wasn't hard. All I really did, I just went in with the brush. Once I cut my hair down, I picked up this brush right here. This here crummy, it's a wave enforcer. Like, honestly, this brush trash. Like, I mean, I don't know. Maybe if you keep your hair super low, this brush might be a good brush. But I keep my hair kind of thick. I cut my hair down to a 2 when I get it cut. I'm gonna probably go like a 2, kind of higher next time, because this is like, I cut my hair last Sunday, and it's Sunday, so it's been a week since I cut my hair, and I cut it with a 2. And this is still kind of low to me, so. But yeah, I started off with this brush. But like what I really did was just, let me use this brush here for this video. This other Magic Wave brush, I gotta make a review for that coming soon. But really I just brushed. And how I brushed my hair was like the sides, the angle like that. I'm gonna use this brush here in case you starting off with this brush. This is how I brush. I use this brush in a minute. But I just go in like that. Brush the side like that, the back like that. And then the top, straight down like that right there. I mean, actually this soft side ain't that bad, to be honest. But it's like the medium side that wasn't good. But yeah, I'll keep using my brush. I just brush, really, just keep brushing. And what I would do is I'd put oil in my hair. I had like this here, what's some kind of oil. What's that brand? I think it wasn't like the fucking Hollywood Beauty. I don't know. The brand that make like the shampoos and stuff, they make an oil too. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It was like some argan oil, so it was like kind of clear bottle, but the oil was kind of like orangish color. But I got some other oil that I'm gonna use for this here video here. This oil here, some more argan oil. I guess argan oil is like decent, but it's just what I use. I should not use the Cantu too, but I use that too much. Really is brushing, like I'm telling y'all. Brushing and keep your hair laid. Like I had waves whenever I was in high school. Got the mohawk whenever I was in college. Still in college, but I cut it off. And I wear my do-rag way more than I did back when I was in high school. Like my shit's better now after years of waving in high school. And then brush, bruh. You gotta brush. And make sure you brush them the right way too. And make sure you're using the right brushes. Like this here, who just snapped me? What is that? Alright, this is it's saying it's a hard brush, but it's more like a medium. Make sure you're brushing the right way. Hitting your angles. Your angles like that. Like my left side is pretty good because like I brush my left side all the time. I don't brush my right side as much. I should though. I like this connection part right here. Like it feels good when I'm hitting this. But yeah. You gotta brush, make sure you brush in the right way. And use oil. And honestly, like, I don't know. Like, I feel like the pictures I be posting on Instagram, y'all probably thinking I'm like Sir Cruz hair texture, but I'm not. Like, my shit's coarse. And my waves on the right side, they really starting to come in. Like, ever since I started doing washing styles more and focusing on that side more, they're coming in. But yeah, then after that, after you go with the hard or medium or whatever brush you use, finish it off with the softy. You see my videos, you know what this brush is. This might be one of my favorite brushes, to be honest. It got messed up because my freaking dog chewed it up. And one thing I'll say is learn how to hit your angles without a mirror. Because you ain't gonna be able to brush with a mirror all the time unless you just got hella free time like that. Like, I don't mirror brush that often. When I'm doing methods and stuff, I mirror brush. When I ain't doing methods, I'm not mirror brush. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just going with the soft to make sure you're hitting your shit right. Make sure you get your connection points. And this here is the major tip right here. Like, how I just finished a brush session. And look what I'm finna do. Major key right here. Make sure you paying attention. You see the do-rag on my head. And you see me tying it up. That's a major key. Keep the rag on, bruh. Like, so your shit could stay laid down, like, the way that it needs to be. Like, I'm telling y'all. Like, this here, if y'all don't want to believe me, y'all ain't got to. But I'm saying, like, if your wave's not as good as you want them to be, it's probably because you ain't wearing your do-rag as much as you should be wearing it. Like, straight up. You either ain't brushing enough or you ain't wearing your do-rag enough. Or you ain't doing washing styles enough. Or you ain't watching my videos enough. So if you ain't been watching my videos, make sure you subscribe so you can see the next one. And tell your friends about me. Follow me on Instagram. Same name as my YouTube name, always spinning 23. And I'll see y'all next video.